Wow. Just did a head shave with this open and closed clone razor from Ariana and Evans, and I gotta tell you, one hell of a shave. I'm really digging this razor, and for the price point, it might be the best inexpensive razor that I like. I mean, this thing's under $30. What a steal this thing is. I've already got a blade in there. It's a three-piece razor. I got one of my favorite blades in there. Well, my baseline blade, which is an AccuForge. It's already in there, but it's a three-piece design, right? And it's got great weight. I'd say this thing weighs, I'm going to say probably 80 grams, but I'll list that above. But man, what a great shaver. I am testing out a new product. I got these products comes in a package like this, and we're going to be giving one of these razors and this combo kit away in this video. What comes in it is some shaving cream, right? It's in a tube, and it smells so good. Aftershave. All right? I haven't smelled it yet, but if it smells anything like that shaving cream, oh yeah, that's good. And it's got a little actuator up top. It smells like Clubman. I don't know if you've ever been to like a country club and you're playing golf and you get done. They always had Clubmen sitting there. It's like just like an old brand. And it always smelled very fresh. And that's the scent of this, in my opinion. Smells so good. All right, but to get this rolling, take some of this, right? Just going to take, I don't know. I talked to Peter. He's like, put like an almond size in there. All right, so I'm going to put that much in. And I'm just going to rub it in my face here where I'm going to shave. Add a little water. All right. She's good. Now you could do this several different ways. You could add that directly to your synthetic brush or, apply it onto your face. Some guys don't own a brush, so, this is a great product for you as well. I'm just going to go in with my synthetic brush and just start working this up. Man, I got to tell you, that smell is unbelievable. Really good. A little dry. I'm going to work this in a little bit here, and then I'm going to start adding water to it like I always do. Put your brush down like 1/8 of an inch in the water, and then break the backbone. And start adding water to this. And this stuff's really going to pop. Well, we're going to see how good it's going to pop. It did a great job on my head. And it didn't stick in my razor. And, some people are like, wow, some of them shaving soaps stick in my razor. Well, what I can say to you, if it's a good artisan soap, you probably didn't add enough water. And think of that. You're looking for, the consistency I'm looking for is like Cool Whip, I want that. I want the consistency of like Cool Whip. I mean, just like all of his other soaps, it's just amazing. And I can't tell you how good that scent is. Just out of this world good. It brings me back to when I was a teenager playing golf. Love it. All right, so going in now, you got a closed comb and you got an open comb. So we're going to go in with the open comb over here. Yeah, this thing is just super smooth. I'm used to flipping it, so I'm just going to come over here. I like it. I don't know what it is about this razor, but I love it. I'm just telling you that. I really do. I mean, it's just so good. I actually think, well, let me do a couple more passes here. It's got perfect balance, right? When you're holding in your hands and your fingers, it's just perfectly balanced. Now I do have 3 days of growth, so there's a little bit of growth there. That open comb just feels so good to me. Can you hear the tone difference? Right? Just so good. All right. Don't ask me how I split that up so evenly, but man, phenomenal. Great detail. I was floored the first time. And I know they're under 30. I don't know the exact price, but I'll put that all this in the comments below. But to enter this contest for this razor and that setup, enter hashtag Ohio Shaves A&E. Ooh, got a nick right there. Getting a little too aggressive. So I'm just going to go back in now for the second pass. It's already loaded up on here. You know me, I don't get buck wild on the second pass. It was a little hard to going back and forth. It's the first time I ever did that on camera. I think it's the first time I ever tried that ever. But you can see, right there's where I nicked myself. But you can see, a lot of guys might build this back up. I don't. I cheat. I pull out the excess in my brush because I'm just going to rinse that down the drain anyways. So why not just add that to my face and get a little more cushion, especially down here on my lower neck. And dude, it is hot in my bathroom. Woo! I usually turn the air off when I shoot videos, and it's like 90 some degrees outside and humid as hell. Don't stand there and you won't get wet. All right, so same thing. I'm going to go open comb over here and close comb over here. Okay, over here. Got myself really good there. Try not to get that on my collar. Oops, against the grain. Now, even though I nicked myself, now I'm going to pay more attention to what I'm doing. Went right over it. Something about an open comb razor that's smooth, I like. Like it's like a love affair. It's kind of like the R41. I mean, it's not that aggressive, but it's good. All right, switching to cold water. Great shave. I can already tell it was a really close shave. I'm just amazed. Now, me cutting myself down there or nicking myself, that was me. That's driver error for me trying to, go back and forth on my face, which I've never tried before, live on camera, and it's just getting carried away. But I will solve that problem here. So once your face is wet and you got that rinsed off your face, grab your alum block here. I like the ones that come in a case. I don't know. For me, it's just something that doesn't get thrown around then. Go in. Yeah, it does burn right there. Ooh, where I got it. But the alum block is going to help seal that up. Get it to stop bleeding. There's no tingling over here. So the closed comb is definitely less aggressive, obviously. And I got nothing over there. Just got a little carried away down there. I mean, we all make mistakes. And people are like, why do you even show your shaving fails? Well, everyone fails when they shave. I'm not a master at this. I'm just shaving with these products and these razors because I was tired of paying all that freaking money for cartridge razors like this one right here. This Gillette Lab to me is a lab failure. When I was doing my head, some guy said, oh, they're great for head shaving. I tried it on my head. It was terrible. Went right to this and had no problems. All right. So now that we're in my post-shave routine, I rinsed that off with cold water. You can see that little nick I had down there. She gone. And I'm just going to pat this off my face. And I'm going to go in with one of my #1 selling products, which is Thayer's. I don't care what razor you're using. If you have sensitive skin, use an alum block. Use this Thayer's. I mean, this facial toner, forget about it. It's so good. I'm talking too much. That all went all over my counter. It's so good. It goes on super wet, right? It's not slick. It just goes on super wet because it's hydrating your skin. Love it. It's a must-have. All right. So now this aftershave, people are like, well, why would you put on the Thayer's? Well, because I want to make sure I get the witch hazel out of it. I love that stuff so much. Not sure if this has, but now I'm going to go in with their aftershave, right? And this isn't a lotion. Okay, I'm going to go in with this aftershave. Set that down. It's got a nice little dropper on it. I'm going to put yay much on it. It's got a milky finish to it. I'm just going to put it on where I shaved. Wow. I mean, I really feel like I'm walking out of the country club right now. That's exactly how I feel. You know, you get done playing golf, you take a shower, put on a different shirt. You know, you have to use their little shitty Bics, you know, the little blue ones. And, you know, just for a quick touch up because you're most likely going out or, you know, even having dinner at the club. And wow, that's what it reminds me of. Love it. Great scent, Peter. Don't forget to enter the contest. I'm telling you, this thing right here is a winner. If you don't have an open comb razor and you're curious about an open comb, this is a great setup. Definitely the closed comb is smoother. The open comb's more aggressive, but I gotta say, I like the way it feels. I like open comb razors that have zero blade feel. And the closed comb design here, wow. Solid bar, forget about it. Super good, no irritation whatsoever, flawless shave. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Sunday at 11 a.m. Have a great week.